Hello everyone, welcome back to alltechqueries. So today's our topic is how to change keyboard language in Windows, and I'm also going to discuss how to change the display language, how to type in other language, and how to enable the language bar shortcut. So let's begin. So first you need to go to this start menu and click on this settings. Here you can see time and language options. Click on it and go to this language menu. So here are the current languages that are installed on your PC. So click on this, add a language. Now here you are going to get hundreds of different languages options. You can choose any of the language from here. So let me choose the popular languages, like here's Chinese. Just you need to simply click on it and click on next, but before that let me explain you something. You can see here these are some advanced features. So all this you can add to the, you can change your keyboard language to any of these languages, but there are some other features as well. So this icon indicates that you can also change your display language to this language. Means everything here you can see here, everything will be converted to this language. Now this is text to speech, so you can use this text to speech option for this language but not for this language. Let me show you. See here, for this language Corsican you cannot use these features. And what else do we have? We have speech recognition. Means if you speak in Chinese, Windows going to recognize, and handwriting option. So if you write in Chinese, it's going to identify and recognize that it is the Chinese language. So besides that, let me see other languages. Now what are the other popular languages? You can also type here and search for any particular language. So besides Chinese, the other popular language could be Arabic or Hindi. Hindi also spoken around the world. So let me add Hindi here. So here it will ask what features do you want to install. So do not enable this option right yet. Just enable these options and click on install. Now within a few minutes it is going to install the Hindi language, and in the meanwhile you can also install other languages like Japanese. Enable these options, just ignore this option and click on install. Now it may take a bit. So till then, if you like this video, you can click on the like button. Also subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload such informative and how-to tutorials. So here our language is installed. Now if you click on the options, these are still downloading. So basically the Hindi language is added in the keyboard language. So let me show you. Go to this keyboard option, and from here you can choose the Hindi language, but there is also another option. Click on this language bar option. Now here this is the language bar option, English, as you can see here. If you click on it, you can easily change any language from here. So this is much quicker and easy to access. So you can enable this option and click on this option, dock in the taskbar. So it will be docked in the taskbar. Now click on apply and OK. Now let me show you an example. I am creating a new Word file. So here, as you can see, I can type in English, but to change the keyboard language I should click here and choose Hindi. So now the keyboard language is changed to Hindi. Now let me type. See, as you can see, you can type in Hindi, but how do I know which key is which one? So we don't know which key works as which alphabet in Hindi. So for this, let me show you an option. First let me change back to English US. Now go to this search option and search for on-screen keyboard. Now here is your on-screen keyboard. Now the letters are showing in English. Now you can click here and choose Hindi. Now as soon as you choose Hindi, all the letters here are changed to Hindi. So you can see here and type here whatever you want. Okay, you can use your mouse or keyboard to type. And here the dark alphabets are the normal alphabets, and if you want to use this secondary alphabets, you should press the key shift. Okay, you should press shift and enter the other alphabets. So this is how you can change the keyboard language. Now let me show you one more thing. Now here is a Windows display option. If you click here, it will give you a drop down menu. From here you can change the display language to other languages. So I am not much familiar with these languages, so I cannot change the complete computer language. English works best for me. So as you can see, you can add multiple languages. You can even install all the languages and use whatever you want. So there are also advanced options, like here are some speech settings. Here are some regional settings. So if you are moving to somewhere else, you can change the country and the current format of the date. So that's all for today, guys. So if you think the video was helpful, then click on the like button and also click on the subscribe button to get informative videos and how to tutorials. So thank you for watching.